In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and taojsabroich.wordpress.com. We're going to start right from a Google search and end with cleanly hiding a price range on your WordPress site using the built-in editor. This approach keeps your layout intact while removing that information from what visitors see. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type WordPress and look for the official result that reads wordpress.com. Everything you need to build your website. Click that result to land on the official wordpress.com site. From there, access your site dashboard and open the site editor for the page where the price range appears. If you're already in the editor, you're in the right place. On the page canvas, locate the specific price range you want to hide. This might be part of a pricing table, a product list, or a block within a template. Click directly on the price range element to select it. If the selection is tricky because other blocks are nested around it, try clicking once to select the parent area and then click again to drill down to the exact price text or block until you see the selection outline around just that element. With the price range selected, look for the three-dot options menu, usually found in the floating toolbar for that block or in the right side panel when the block is active. Click the three dots, then choose Hide. This doesn't delete the content. It simply controls its visibility, which is perfect when you want to preserve your layout and content for later use. A visibility panel will appear. Choose the option that says Omit from Published Content, and then click Apply. This setting ensures the price range won't appear on the live, published version of your site. It's a safe, reversible change. The price range remains available in the editor, so you can bring it back whenever you need it, without recreating anything. A couple of quick tips as you work. If you're editing a template or pattern that affects multiple pages, hiding the element there will carry across all pages using that template. If the price range is part of a reusable or synced pattern, changes may apply site-wide. That's helpful when you want consistent visibility rules, but make sure you're editing in the right context for your goals. That's it. You've hidden the price range cleanly by using the hide control and omitting it from published content, keeping your design intact and your workflow flexible.